William reunites with supermodel Claudia 30 years after Princess Diana introduced them as birthday gift. All eyes were on Kate and her stunning reveal at Wednesday stage, but another guest at the event had a bit of star history with Prince William. Claudia, supermodel icon of the 90s, the Prince 90s, as they had to witness their friends. The Prince of Wales has previously detailed how his mother, Princess Diana, shocked him with a surprise supermodel encounter when he was a young teenager as a birthday surprise. I went bright red and didn't quite know what to say, and short of fumble, he said in 2017 documentary.